This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 14th. Starting out with the stock index futures, we are under some pressure today, as you might expect with the Fed meeting today and tomorrow, and the very strong probability that the Fed will be raising rates at the conclusion of this two-day meeting, probably by just 25 basis points, but some long liquidation ahead of that likely announcement tomorrow. Longer term, we feel that the main trend is higher for the indices, and even with a rate increase tomorrow, which we are anticipating, rates will simply not be high enough to reverse this bull market, we feel, in the stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index trading a little bit better today, probably more so due to events elsewhere in the world. We did have some weaker economic numbers out of the Eurozone. Also, we had some renewed political concerns in the UK. We do feel that the dollar index has topped, and we do believe that the Trump administration is not interested in a strong dollar policy, and they have been vocal, indicating just that in the last month or so. Better opportunities, we feel, though, in the interest rate futures market, with a breakout to the downside yesterday in the bonds. We feel that the main trend is still lower across the board, especially at the long end of the curve, the 30-year bonds, as inflation ramps up. Also, we did have the PPI number coming in today, higher than expected, up 0.3%. So continue to trade the bonds from the short side. There is a lot left, I think, to work lower in the interest rate futures markets, especially at the long end. And gold and silver under some pressure over the last couple of weeks in advance of the likely Fed rate increase tomorrow. Once that rate increase, as we believe will be the case, is out of the way, I would expect a new leg up for both gold and silver, some new highs likely, and this is a trend that will probably last for quite a few months. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.